Okay guys, so we're here at our day 9. So I didn't able to play yesterday so because I'm busy. So this is our session 1 on day 9, 10/17/2025. So I cashed in 3,000, 3227. So that's also I cashed in 3,000. So my balance is 3227. So let's go. I'll up my unit 100. So I cash out the commission. So let's go. Let's target 10 units. So my target will be 33 33,000. 3,300. So that I'll gonna add 100 to my bankroll. I'll cash out 1k. First two bet loss, but it's alright. You had a bankroll to withstand that. Okay, I got this one. Oh, I got that one too. Got 2 units on the bag. So let's go. Let's grind. I'm still winning 500 pesos. With this strategy, I'm still ahead 500. So then I cash in again to 3,000. So that's it. Is what it is. 58. We can go fire here. Only 3. Okay. Let's go. I like it here because I can bet multiple tables at once. I already won that one, but happen to lose. I think it's 200 here. The game history is yes, it's 200. It's a tie. I lost here, so 200. This will be 400. Fuck. Ay, I'm losing. Okay, let's go. 400. First time 400. Win. 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 Okay, win. That's a win. So I win all. I just gonna bet three times at a time. 7. Picture. Oh, I lost. Fuck. 9 loss. 9 loss. I lost that 3. The 3 bet. Okay, picture. Nice. I'm getting close to 10 units. I'm getting close to 10 units. So close. So near yet so far. Fuck. 8 versus 0. Not good. Both are 400. Picture. I won the 100 but I lost the 400. So I'm gonna go 800 here. Ay, shit. Still a win. Okay. 800 is still there. Picture. Oh no. Oh, okay. Oh yes. Okay, only a few wins to go and we're done. I just gonna advise you guys, sometimes you cannot play, you should not play. Just like me yesterday, I didn't able to play because I'm busy with my schedule. I have a regular work. I just do it part time. This is my part time professional gambling. But so I'm not a professional gambler. Just this is just my, what do you call this, my hobby. So last 2 units and we're done. We're just gonna get 2 units and we're done. I think I'm not gonna bet at Golden Well. Should have won if I bet. No, not yet. Maybe I'll try. Okay, 3 units on the table, 300 on the table, so let's go. Seven is good. Oh, but 9 is better. Win 1 at the Golden Well. Seven is good on player. Oh, 9. Why are you giving me a hard time? Since you're giving me a hard time, I'm gonna bet another one. For good luck. Another 7. I win the additional bet. I'm gonna lose the 400. Oh, I win the 400. It's really a good luck. Picture. Squeeze. So I wanna watch it. I want to watch squeeze. 0. So he's gonna squeeze it. He's gonna squeeze the picture. Picture. You're gonna squeeze the picture. So squeeze the picture. 2. Okay, I win. So that's it for today, guys. I overshot the win. So for 5, but I'll only cash out 5. I'll only gonna cash out 1,000. So let's put it here for 502. So let's go. I'm gonna cash in 3,000. I'm gonna cash out 1,000. 1,000. Okay, so we have 2,025. We have 25 here. Negative. We have negative 25. So okay, let's put red here. But the session has been won, so let's put the green here. So that's all for this session, guys. See you this afternoon. So special reminders, do not bet money you cannot afford to lose. Always bet on moderation. That's all, guys.